Hi Sauron, man. I'm Lokesh Mankanta. I'm going to discuss our problem statement description and also the approach we have followed for the problem statement. And also, I'm going to show the minimalization of the prototype, which we have done so far. So, the objective of our problem statement is to establish SOC by following the cybersecurity guidelines to maintain isolated air gap environment between IT to OT systems in the power sector, as we are doing this under the guidance of the Sibi sir, as per CEA guidelines of 2021. CEA means in the sense Central Electricity Authority. Uh, it should be uh, one way flow of mechanism you need to implement it. But here in the CEA 2017, it is bidirectional OT to IT and IT to OT. We need to convert into unidirectional by using unidirectional diodes so that we can maximize the security and the productivity and we can reduce the flow as well. So in order to achieve this solution, now I'm going to show the flowchart and I'm going to explain what's what's the structure of the flowchart as so far. Here the Zeek analyzer, which is going to collect the logs of all the systems and which is pushed to the Kafka, and by using the winlog beat procmon and the sysmon. Here the sysmon and the procmon, which is developed by the Microsoft. It Here the sysmon which captures the system logs and the procmon which captures the real-time process logs. And here the winlog bit which captures Windows system logs and push it to the Kafka so that Kafka provides the centralized unified the logs for the Zeek winlog bit sysmon procmon such that it pushes to the ELK stack. And here in the ELK stack, Elasticsearch provides the storage for these logs and also it acts as a search engine as well. Logstash will be pass those logs and those should be pushed into the Kibana dashboard so that we can easily visualize those logs. Actually, these systems are taken from the, we can assume like we can take from the power sector systems. As per prototype we have done on our systems. Mm, Now I'm going to show winlog bit logs so far. Wait a minute. Okay, these are the logs which are captured by the winlog bit. As so far you can observe uh, date and timestamps and all the log activities. And this is the graphical representation for the logs. And you can manually also add what type of logs you wanted in the winlog beat file. Their YAML file will be there. We can manually configure and uh, we can take what log we can represent. Actually, I have taken some security logs and also Microsoft logs as well, and some other logs. Okay. Without further delay, I'm going to show what my teammates have also done. And this is a Zeek logs. Uh, okay. These are the Zeek logs. Actually, Zeek is a network traffic tool, which is going to collect the network logs of entire all the systems uh, and push it via Kafka. Okay. These are the customized dashboard for the Zeek which I have made so far. And I'm going to show Sysmon. Okay. Sysmon, which is system monitoring logs, we can say. And okay, these are the logs generated by the Sysmon. And I'm going to show the procmon. These are the logs captured by using procmon. And I'm going to show my teammate has sent. These are the procmon logs which are captured so far without further delay. And I'm going to show customized dashboards which he made so far. Uh, these are the procmon logs capture. I mean, these are the dashboards which are generated by the logs of procmon, which is manually done. Yes. Uh, okay. By this, we can say that if any malicious activity take place, we can easily detect by this security operation center. We have used SIM tools such as elk stack so that we can easily trigger. And thank you for giving this opportunity.